So, एक मिनट.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. देखो, today's topic is very simple. Many times I tell you what is the difference between school examinations and competitive examinations. Okay? क्या डिफरेंस है? स्कूल के एग्जामिनेशंस होते हैं हमारी और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस देते हैं हम लोग. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? ये तो टॉपिक हो गया B20 वालों के लिए, ठीक है. और B23 वाले भी अगर इस पे बोलना चाहें तो हमें कोई ऐतराज नहीं है, और नहीं तो मैं B20 वालों के लिए टॉपिक दे रहा हूं उनके अकॉर्डिंग. और पहले सुने सब लोगों को, जो पुराने स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको एक बार सुने. ये B20 वालों के लिए है, और B23 वाले भी सुने. और फिर B23 में किसी को लगता है कि भाई हम भी इस टॉपिक पे बोल सकते हैं तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो भी बोलें, पर जबरदस्ती नहीं करनी है अपने साथ में. समझ गए? और B20 के लिए मैं टॉपिक दे रहा हूं माई सिटी. जैसे आप जयपुर में रहते हो तो जयपुर के बारे में बोल दो, ये लो. क्लियर हो गई बात आपको? टॉपिक क्लियर हो गया सबको? कोई डाउट? सो आई थिंक देर आर सम नेम्स. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. हर्ष, गौरव, रक्षित, अनुज एंड लक्ष्मी. ओके, ठीक है. इनको सुनिए सबसे पहले अच्छे से क्या बोल रहे हैं लोग, और फिर बोलने की कोशिश करें. मैंने दोनों के लिए टॉपिक बता दिए, B20 वालों के लिए भी और B23 वालों के लिए भी. ठीक है, घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है, डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो कम ऑन हर्ष. हर्ष.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad. Today I am going to tell you about the difference between school examination and competitive examination in India. So, as we all know, in India there is a high craze of competitive exams such as IIT, JEE, UPSC, etc. And these exams the minds of students
योर वॉइस
in
इज नॉट क्लियर.
uh, so these exams have students have a great fear regarding these exams in their life. Like they are always said that if you do not pass these exams, then you will be nothing in your life. You will not be able to earn your living and all the other stuff. But but the main motto of these exams is to prepare the student for the upcoming challenges in their lives, because their lives are just started. As we know that every student who gives these exams are of 20 to age of between 20 to 30. On the other hand, there are school exams which have no pressure, and the marks are given by their teachers only. They know that who is checking, so they write the answers in the way teacher likes. So it do not create some sense of thinking in them, but it do not create a sense of thinking in them. Instead, it creates a a feel of irritation in them, like the answers which the ma'am has given, if they write that they will get full marks, and it happens and they get full marks, and they become happy that they have topped the class. But the ground reality is something different. That and whenever these students come jump directly from school examination to competitive, they feel the difference between these two, and the reality hits them very hard. Uh, so I think that the level of school examination should be equal as competitive, not very hard, but it should gradually increase its level, just like our classes level increases. But there should be a thing that the teacher who is teaching should not check the copies of school examination, and instead there should be other teacher, like a teacher studying a teacher teaching class 10th should check the copies of 12th, and 12th should check class copies of 10th. In this way, the teacher would be new for the students, and they will think from their mind that how can they impress the teacher and get marks, which will help them not in school exams but in the competitive exams. And competitive exams are the place where you fight real people on a large scale. So I think that the level of school exams should be increased. That's it.
वेरी गुड, सुना करो ध्यान से, पता चलेगा आपको नया टॉपिक में बिल्कुल ये, ठीक है ना? वेरी गुड, यस कम ऑन, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा बोलने की कोशिश क्या करो रक्षित।
सर गौरव का नाम है ना?
अच्छा ओके, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, यस कम ऑन गौरव।
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is the difference between schools examinations, the academics examinations, and the competitive examinations. So, first of all, let me talk about the schools examination. So, when you think of a school examination, you think of a hell. But schools the examination which are held in school are very easy because you can imitate their, and the security is usually low. You can cheat there and you can just ratta, what you say that you
इटरेशन,
can do it, imitation,
इटरेशन, इमिटेशन,
iteration,
हम्म
and imitate others.
हम्म
So, and because the security is low, everybody takes the exams very lightly, but they don't know that what will they face next. Then talking about the competitive exams, this is where the real hell begins.
हम्म
Because when you uh, try to give a competitive exam, there are so strict invigilators which are scanning your movement and your behavior, like they have AI in them. And then if you even try to just pass a joke in sign language to your friend, they will just kick you out of the room,
हम्म
and you can't even pass or and if your school already has too much security and you can't even say good luck to your friend, then uh, competitive exam, and you can't even irritate in competitive exams. The
इरिटेट नहीं,
question paper
इटीरेट,
is so
इटीरेट,
iterate
हम्म
iterate you can't iterate there, and you can't cheat there. You have to get that understanding of the lessons and the principles of science, physics, and other subjects. And there are many more exams, and the name of them are competitive exam, means millions of students are giving that exam, and you have to make a rank among them.
हम्म
You have to be that single shining star. That's it. Thank you, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड, जस्ट कम ऑन रक्षित।
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am expressing my views on the topic school exams and competitive exams. So, we know the overall difference between these two exams. School exams are the academic exams which we give in our academic years of school, from a first class to 12th class, or from nursery to 12th class. So, so school exams are taken many times in this period of 12 years or 15 years, you can say, adding nursery classes also. So in these in school exams, you give the exams of different subjects, depending that which subject do you have in your school, and individually which subject do you have in a senior secondary classes. So and also school exams are designed by the school or by the education board,
Hmm.
and school exams and the motive of school exams is just to check student to check student or keep an eye on the student, that is how much student the student is learning in the class and the understanding level of student. So the main motive is this. And whenever you pass the school exams, you are promoted to the next class, so that you can gain more knowledge in the next class. And but school exams are taken for the purpose that for also the purpose that students can be prepared for the big exams that will come in their life. And the big exams, we know that what are they are the competitive exams. So by the school exams, students develop a habit of giving exams and prepare for the competitive exams also. Like uh, like students learn to handle the pressure of the exams, and students learn how to prepare for the exams that will help them in the preparation of the competitive exams. So and so school exams are not so tough, or they are mostly easy or at the mid level, and you can easily pass them if you study.
Hmm.
So then we come at the stage of giving competitive exams when we pass 12th class. When we know that there is one criterion to give the school exams,
Good.
is that you should be in the class for which of which class of which class exam you are going to give. So, but for competitive exams, for different competitive exams, there are different criteria. Like for some exams, you can give you should be you can give the exam after passing 12th. But for some competitive exams, you should be a graduate person.
Hmm.
uh, so there are different criteria, and for which people take the graduation degree so that they can give the competitive exams and can get a job. uh, and uh, and uh, and this is the reason why people give the competitive exams, to get a secured job, uh, so that the person can live a happy life and make his or her family's life happy.
Hmm.
uh, and unlike the school exams, competitive exams are not easy or are not at mid level, they are tough ones.
Hmm.
You you cannot pass them. And we know that there is not the pass or fail system in competitive exams. There is the system of selection, that there is not a fixed stage or position that you can, if you have secured at least this these marks, so you can get a job. This does not happen in competitive exams. The meaning of competitive exams is that there is a lot of competition for the job of the exam. There is not a fixed number of people who are giving the competitive exams. It vary from one year to another year.
Hmm.
And in these exams, the one thing to pass or to get selection in these exams is that you have to clear the cutoff, or you have to come in the top scorers of these exams.
Hmm.
If you do this, there are the chances that you can get a job
Hmm.
or selection in and in colleges. like uh, we can classify these competitive exams into two types. The first is the entrance exam, and these exams are the exams people give to get admission in big colleges, or you can say in government and private colleges, to do graduation, to take degree.
Hmm.
uh, and And the another ones are, we say, competitive exams, in which you give the exams to get a, a job directly. Like the way I can give the example of entrance exam that are in India. The biggest entrance exams are JEE and NEET, and competitive exams are the UPSC and SSC exams. And there are also many exams for this. But and now we can now I can talk about the security in these exams. Like in school exams, the security is not tight. Um, but in competitive exams, there is the strict security that you can't even cheat in these exams. But we know that it depends upon the system. That what is the system? Sometimes the system is such a what to say such such a low level system that people get a chance of cheating. But sometimes the system is so strict that people do not have a chance of cheating. So this is the thing. And also and so so they and we know that in India, if you want to get a government job, you have to give the competitive exams. Without competitive exams, leaving some ways, you cannot get a government job. Because and but and so so at last, I want to say that if you will give competitive exams in your life, and if you are preparing for the competitive exam, so give your best, study hard. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. अनुज.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today the topic is that what differs academics from competitive exams. So they themselves are different in their own ways. As academic exams are designed or uh, are designed to check your understanding, your approach, and where competitive exams are designed to check your speed, your accuracy, and your focus in adversary conditions. So these both are different in themselves. Like in academics, schools or institutes always try to push you ahead, like push to pass you because you are their student and you are the source of their money or whatever you are. But in competitive exams, you are a trash, I would say. They will always try to bring you back or don't push you ahead, but they'll try to choose from millions, one from millions. So it depends that how competitively you are giving exams. And schools only focus on syllabus, on score, and on instant development or instant progress. While competitive exams are the ones where there is morality and there is honesty and there is focus that is needed to get through it. But competitive exams, the condition of competitive exams in India is we are the most populated and people are like insects in our country.
Yes.
So the government doesn't care much, and people just when papers leak, when these types of things happen, so the strict actions uh, are not taken, and they are avoided, and people give exams like insects, and they don't, and government doesn't even care. They they gave their, like when someone is applying for a competitive exam, so his or her center will be given uh, as far as possible by the choice of government or the system. Don't know why it happens. Like it's all about irritating the student. It must be under max to max 100 kilometer. But sometimes we see that students are going to like to more than 100 kilometer or like another district. So don't know what the point of this.
I can
And
tell you. So
what's
that
up?
the candidates cannot get familiar persons there. अब जगतपुरा के बच्चे का जगतपुरा में अगर सेंटर आ जाएगा स्कूल में, तो जान पहचान वाले टीचर स्कूल मिल जाएंगे कि नहीं मिल जाएंगे? और जयपुर के बच्चे का बाड़मेर में सेंटर आएगा तो जान पहचान वाला कौन मिलेगा? कोई हेल्प करने वाला नहीं मिलेगा ना. This is
So, sir,
very
I said under it must be done under even 100 kilometer.
yes, you are right, but there must be the strict invigilation of it.
Yes,
This is the solution of it. But if we are not, we have no trust upon the invigilators or upon the examination taking agencies, then this is not fair according to me.
yes, sir.
Okay, just come on, carry on.
Sir, it's like ordinary to not to trust them when we have lost trust from uh, from the the people who controls the money of fund of temples. So why would we trust them? So we were talking about academics and competitive exams. So these two are not similar. Are uh, they challenge? They are a challenge each other, and academic and schools unintentionally boosts your confidence in academics when you score only, but the real challenge comes when you come down in the land of competition. That's
Very
it.
good, very good. Shabash, बहुत अच्छी. Vocabulary is very nice. Shabash, beta. Keep it up. Yes, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today I am telling about what is the difference between competitive exam and school exam. As you know that school exams are conducted to check the student, and it is basic route for a student, because during school exam a student can ahead to reach to get
Can move ahead.
yes sir, can move ahead in the competitive exam. As you know that school exam are very important for all, because in it we can make our self best, and in the school exam we learn many things, how to behavior and how to remove our bad qualities and etc. and school exams syllabus are short, and competitive exam syllabus are very long, and school exams are held by principals, and there are many level in school exams, like first test, half yearly, early, etc. And in the school exams questions, we can see that questions we have to write long questions, and in the competitive exams we only mark the questions, and in it there competitive exams include MCQ, etc. And there is no negative marking in school exams. And every schools want to ahead their students, and in the school exams they pass all the student, but the difference between both is that the competitive exams wants best candidate, and there is negative marking in competitive exams because they want best person, and sometime many student preparation competitive exams, but their focus lose due to a lot of peoples, because in the competitive exam there are many peoples who do who do preparation, and in the competitive exams seats are limited, and in the competitive exams we 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 have to work hard, and we competitive exams want speed and practice and best quality in a person, and whole syllabus are in
is
the is in the competitive exams, and in the competitive exams we should clear our concept, and in the school exam we can write whatever we want, and and schools also give us a best number, and but there is nothing in competitive exams, because they only pass who work hard, and who give best themselves, and in the school exam we have some stress, but in the competitive exam we have a lot of stress, and in the school exam we only pass, but in the competitive exams we can achieve a good job during hard work, and competitive exams require daily practice, and it require hard work, because it is very difficult, and some competitive exams want the degree of graduations, and like that a student who passed graduations, and he or she can give LDC exams, and whatever many exams they can give, but some exams are held for the purpose of job and etc. And for if we want to government job we will hard work, and in the government exam the exam centers are far away, because if the government conduct the center of a student near her or his, they can cheat, and in the school exam there may be cheating, and but in the competitive exams many strict rules are made by government, because it reach us on the job, and due to competitive exam we can if we get government job our salaries are fixed, and if we do if we do private job, we can we can सर हटाने को क्या
We
बोलेंगे?
can be removed.
We can be removed
We can be
and
terminated.
yes sir. And everyone want to government exams because they can get fixed salaries, and many students want the job of teacher because in the teaching life is a very easy. Some students consider that it is easy for themselves because they have a lot of time in the teaching life, and both are very important. That's it sir.
Very good. थोड़ा सा और फोकस करना है. सुनते हो नहीं सुनते हो रिकॉर्डिंग अपनी?
Yes sir.
हाँ, और थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है ना चीजों पे, वर्ब फॉर्म पे पर्टिकुलरली, सिंगुलर
Yes, sir.
प्लूरल पे, वर्ब फॉर्म पे थोड़ा सा फोकस करना है. ओके, बाकी ठीक है,
Okay,
कोई
sir.
बात नहीं. कॉन्फिडेंस इज ओके, फ्लो इज ओके, थोड़ा सा ग्रामेटिकल ठीक करेंगे. यस, कम ऑन वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone, and sir. And today our topic is the differentiate between the school examination and competitive exam. You know, if we talk about the school examination are good, and because you know our teachers sometimes our teachers cheat cheat and they give the answers to us in the examination halls. So this is good, and principal should be apply the strict regulations and rules, and sometimes if a student is sitting if a student is sitting in the class and his or best friend is giving some science some chit or if we say science like first second in the MCQ questions, and sometimes so this is not good for school examination, and some teachers some teachers quietly give the answers to the students when there is no invigilator, and so principal should be apply those rules and regulations strictly, and if we talk about the school examination, there is a main goal of school examination, that is access knowledge of the syllabus, and their focus is subject mastery, and their syllabus is limited and defined, and their type of test is subjective, if we say descriptive, and uh, this was the talk about the school examination. Now I'm talking about the competitive exam. Recently the NEET examination was retest on 21st June, and this test was this test retest because there was a सर घपलेबाजी को क्या बोलते हैं वो
स्कैंडल,
scandal
हाँ,
scandal the papers, and some teachers and professors were arrested, and this is not good, and our India's education is not good, and there is a corruption in the every field. If we talk about education or sports and etc. And now I come back in the competitive exam. Uh, their focus is the speed accuracy, and the type of test is objective, if we say MCQs, multiple choice question, and their syllabus is very fast, and you know that our government take out some vacancies like LDC, RSIS, NEET, NET, etc. And competitive exam, is increasing nowadays very highly, and the competitive exams nowadays are not easy. And recently, I see the reel that the uh, Rajasthan University's, there's an AI that AI, uh, made uh, a paper. I don't know what is this string which is, and that I'm telling you, and so the competitive exam is increasing day by day, and if we do hard work, we can achieve our goal. And so at last, I want to say that give your best. Thank you, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। ऐसी कोशिश क्या करो, थोड़ा सा ग्रामर पे और फोकस करोगे, है ना, और अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुनोगे। बाकी सब कुछ ठीक है, फ्लो है, कॉन्फिडेंस है, बस थोड़ा सा ग्रामेटिकल सुनोगे तो थोड़ा सा ग्रामेटिकल और वोकेबलरी को आप इम्प्रूव कर लोगे। ओके अंजा, सो गई क्या? सो बहुत जल्दी जाती है यार ये। हाँ
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये सर बोल दिया ना, देख लो। हाँ
Yes. Yes, sir.
सो गई, सोने का बड़ा काम है तेरा।
नहीं तो मैं लेट
लेट गई थी, मैं लेटी हुई थी, आ गई ना बात, वही पड़ गई थी, मैं ये बोल, मैं पड़ गई थी, मैं पड़ी हुई थी। बोल।
Yes, sir. So hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena and today's topic is difference between school examination and competitive
बैठ
examination.
दे इसको, नाचे मत। हाँ ऐसे, और सीधी हो जा, टेढ़ी मत बैठे। हाँ, बोल।
Yes, sir. Difference between competitive and school examination. So school examination not easy, not hard, but sometimes teacher give us so hard that we can't solve, and sometimes we left it. Sometimes we left it because we don't know. And in school examination, teacher are there to help in school, but in competitive we are don't having anyone, like not a single person to help us. Just do it on time. In school that can give you 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 15 minutes. In competitive they don't give you a 1 second. They just take it like a fast hero man.
Very good. I think you have a lot of
Hero man.
competitive examination.
And man, and some in competitive we have to treat like a competitive thing, and we should having a confidence and like but in like in school examination if we don't study, so that can be like a easy thing, like we can give anything. But in a competitive that don't matters. If you don't study, your exam is going to be dead, or your number will fall down, or in examinations yes sir, your number get fall down, and in that we have to start from we started, we have to start again and read everything again from 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. We have to study it again and again and again. In school examinations, if we are failed in our exam, we can give it in 1 year, but not like competitive. We have to give 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, sometimes 4 years can give a person. And that at last I want to say, school examination easy but hard for children, and competitive exam is not easy for adults and not easy for children. Bye. That's it, sir. हो गया मैं.
बोलती बहुत अच्छा बोलने लगी है बेटा, आजकल तेरा परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है बेटा। तू मिल कभी मेरे को, तेरे को चॉकलेट खिलाऊंगा मैं। बोल, 1 रुपए वाली खाएगी, 2 रुपए वाली खाएगी? 2 रुपए वाली खाएगी। सोनी बोलती 20 रुपए वाली खाऊंगी, 50 रुपए वाली खाऊंगी।
ऑप्शन में ही नहीं था ना, ऑप्शन में ही नहीं था, ऑप्शन में ही नहीं था,
जो ऑप्शन में नहीं था। बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट चल रहा है बेटा। फूल के कुप्पा मत हो जाना, मैंने तेरी थोड़ी तारीफ कर दी है तो तू कहीं फूल के एकदम गुब्बारा हो जाए। ऐसे ही बनी रहना बस, ठीक है? वेरी गुड, यस, कम ऑन सिमी, सिमरन।
पढ़ गई सर वापस।
पढ़ गई, पढ़ेगी अब तो मुझे पता है। पढ़ी राम रख दो इसका नाम, पढ़ी राम है, पढ़ी देवी। हाँ सिमरन कहाँ गई?
यही हूँ सर, यही हूँ।
ओके, आजा तो फिर, सांस वास ले ले, पानी वानी पी ले, आजा।
ओके सर, सांस ले ली, पानी भी पी लिया।
आजा आजा।
Today I am telling about what's the difference between competitive exam and school exams. Competitive exams and school exams are different because school exams we only learn and we gain knowledge and it is increase our knowledge, and but competitive exam is a different thing because there we can only selected because there because there everyone think how to fight this exam, and in school exams we don't think about it because we want only how to gain our percentage, and in school there is a simple rule like if you get I think 35%, above 35%, you can pass your class, and you will move you will move to next class.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड बेटा।
And in our school examination we always do our best. We always we always read whatever in our syllabus and whatever in our textbook, I mean our books, and in the school examination, no, in school there is a limited syllabus, and we learn also whatever we had, right? We have, and but in competitive exams it is a different in there is a different area, and there is no limited syllabus, and there is there we selected by our ranks and in in competitive, but um, but competitive exams is not easy because its syllabus uh, is not its syllabus like whole सर मिट्टी के कण
Sand particles
particles
minute things कर दो आप, छोटी छोटी चीजें ना, ऐसे ही करना चाह रहे हो ना आप?
हाँ, minute things and they spread here and there like this and competition syllabus to be and you know the school is in in the school we learn and we 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 learn something and like we learn in their exams and like a driver because there we learn like a driver learn driving and he get driving license regarding his performance
शाबाश,
like
according to
we
his performance. हाँ,
uh,
बोल बहुत अच्छा बोलती रहे. हाँ,
like we gets our mark sheet like that, but competitive exams is totally different because it is like it is like घोड़े की रेस को क्या बोलेंगे?
horse race.
It is like a horse race and there who uh, who 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 run
Those who run fast.
who run fast who gets trophy and uh, in in this field whoever selected only who selected
Those who are selected. Those who are selected
those who are selected
get the job.
get who
की जरूरत नहीं है ना. Those who are
get
selected can get the job. वो आ गया ना,
who
those लगा दिया
gets
अगर अपने relative
top ranks.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. And but but in school examination but in school examination um, in school examination we uh,
We have to
we
pass the examination only.
we only read only for we read only
बोल सही बोल रही है. For passing the examination.
for passing the examination but in competition field we we do work for we do work for get good job and for financial for financial mm, अरे, and uh, mm, and the competition exams are increased day by day, and the education system, our school education system, uh, uh, who मतलब our school our सर मतलब our मतलब our is skip the this sentence because I can't frame this.
Okay,
So
no problem. हाँ बोलो.
the for competitive exams, we should first of all we should pass 12th class, and after that if we had if we have 18 years or something, when we can we can fill we can fill form for the for the any competitive exams, and uh, school exams and competitive exams, both are different, but the fear of exams is not different. It is same, uh, but but both both place is uh, uh, it is comes in different way, uh, and mm, there are there are lot of there are some students who who will who will prepare for competitive exams, and some students who who are now who are now prepare uh, preparing this, and there are many examples for increase our confidence and motivation, uh, but only but by the hard work we can pass any exams. You should take you can take for example school exam, s- and competition exams, college exams, whatever, and but if you work hard, you can pass any exam. That's
बहुत बढ़िया. बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा. कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत अच्छा है. सुनते हो रिकॉर्डिंग अपनी, नहीं सुनते हो?
yes, सुनती हूँ सर.
वेरी गुड. सुना करो एक बार, है ना? ठीक है, सब हो जाएगा, कोई चिंता नहीं है. और नए नए टॉपिक हैं, कभी पहली बार बोल रहे हो तो शायद ये सब चीजें होती हैं. कम ऑन. और बाकी के लोग भी अपना नाम डालो. पिंकी सिटी पे है, अपनी सिटी पे बोलना है, जयपुर सिटी पे. और जो लोग इस टॉपिक पे नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं वो अपने जयपुर, अपने शहर के बारे में भी बोल सकते हैं. ओके, तो नाउ आदित्य, कम ऑन. और कैमरे स्विच ऑन करो सब लोग अपने अपने. कम ऑन आदित्य.
यस सर.
आदित्य ये नहीं, तुमने तो अभी थोड़ी नाम लिखा है अपना. तुम्हारा नाम है क्या है? नहीं, तुम्हारा नहीं है. हाँ, तुम्हारा ही है. ओके 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 ओके.
मेरा ही है ना.
आदित्य, यस इट इज योर. कम ऑन.
Okay. Yes, hello everyone, my name is Aditya and today's our topic is about school exams and competition exams. So as well as that we all give school exams and we always think that it is so easy. Give us some hard questions but no. When you give your college exams and you try to get a job and you give a competition exam and in that exam you see so many million quantities of the children and then only about I think only 20 students selection successful and then so many children feel hurt in his heart in his heart and then they don't give up. They try again and again. Then after so much hard work, they get success. And in but our school exams, we can see that there are low security and then and low security secure. अरे यार
आराम से बोलना, हड़बड़ा क्यों रहा है तू? इतनी जल्दबाजी क्यों कर रहा है? तसल्ली से बोल, हड़बड़ा मत, बिल्कुल आराम से बोल, स्पीड बहुत ज्यादा है तेरी, बोल।
Yes, in low security, so many children pass their paper to their through their classmates. But in 11, 12 exams, suddenly a group of teachers come come in the classroom and see that which which child do cheating. Uh, suddenly three teachers come like a military and soldiers and other and then they check the shoes and other things. It is basic checking in competitive exams. Uh, which teachers director attend this exam? They called police and said that please check their pockets and all things and see that anyone don't do any cheating. So then if any child do cheating, so they fail their all the that things which is success in college life. But I think some I think they can improve again if they don't do cheating and get marks of their oven hard oven work and they
on
on hard work and then they get success. It is very nice if they then after that exam then when he listen that uh, they get success by their own work and their and they wrote that things in their exam which which he or she which he or she learn about before 2 or 3 years and then they saw their success. So and if you ask about school exams, it is not a rare thing, but it's also a harder when you want to do hard work. So always give your best in every field and try to get a good marks by your own hard on your own work. Yes, that's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, फ्लो बहुत अच्छा था तुम्हारा, वेरी गुड। थोड़ी आवाज तुम्हारी, ऑडियो तुम्हारा थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो रहा था, बाकी आज बहुत अच्छा फ्लो, बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत फास्ट तुमने रैपिडली तुमने बोला है आज, वेरी गुड। और इतना हड़बड़ाया मत करो, थोड़ा आराम से बोला करो। यस, कम ऑन रन। और बाकी के लोग नाम लिखो भैया, इनका नाम लिखो।
Hello everyone.
बोलना है, बाकी के लोग भी जो भी है वो नाम लिखो, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा बोलने के लिए। कम ऑन रन।
my name is Sona. Today I am speaking about my city. My city's name is Jaipur. It is in Rajasthan. It is the capital of Rajasthan. Jaipur is a city. It was named city by Stanley Reed.
थोड़ी आवाज तुम्हारी गड़बड़ हो रही है, प्रॉपर सुनाई नहीं दे रहा। थोड़ी आवाज ठीक करो अगर पॉसिबल है तो। बोलो।
There are many of Jantar Mantar, Amirpur, Nargad in my city. My city has many restaurants. There are many cafes in my city. There are many people in my city. All people here are kind. There are many parks. Jawat, Nehru Bal Udyan, Central Park in the city. There are many schools and hospitals in my city. There is a famous Africa Gate in my city.
शाबाश शाबाश।
But, it is famous of its historical fort, culture, and traditions. My city is very big. My city is beautiful. I like my city very much. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, very good, कोशिश करते रहो ना। Yes, विवान, विवान, I think he has gone. Okay, बाद में आ जाएगा तो देख लेंगे उसको। Yes, now आरुषि, नहीं, काजल।
Good evening, sir. My name is Kajal Bairla. I study in last classes. Today is my topic, my city. My city is in Jaipur city. There are many temples in my city. There are many shops in my city. Jaipur is the capital of city. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan.
फोकस करो बस, आराम से, घबराओ मत, बोलो।
There are many river resources in my city, like small rivers. There, there are many different religious people live in my city. There are many markets in my city. There are many libraries in my city. There are many playgrounds in my city. There are many forts and places in my city like
शाबाश शाबाश हाँ बोलते रहो
the Amer Fort, Jagat Fort, etc. and City Palace. Many festivals are celebrated in my city. Um, many games are played in my city. My city clean and peaceful. All people's nature and behavior are good in my city.
very good बोलते रहो शाबाश
People wear different clothes in my city. Um, there are many hospitals in my city, like government and private hospitals. There are many private and government schools in my city. There are many villages in my city. There are many houses in my city.
शाबाश 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 कोशिश करो very good
Children's play there in evening in my city. Children's play. A farmer grows many fruits and vegetables are in my city.
very good बेटा कोशिश करो बेटा शाबाश
All people's women together in my city.
very good बहुत बढ़िया हाँ
There are many religions in my city, like Hindu Dharma. There are many big roads in my city. My city is big and very beautiful. There are many mineral resources in my city like copper, silver, marble, etc. There are many landmarks in my city like Patrika Gate, Galtaji, Jantar Mantar. There are many parks and playground, parks and ground in my city. There, my city atmosphere are good.
is good हाँ
Is good. I am proud of my city. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसे कोशिश किया करो बेटा, वेरी गुड। आरुषि,
Yes, sir. My name is Arushi Meena. I study in Raman Interactive class. Today's
आवाज
my
बढ़ाओ,
topic
अपनी
my
आवाज बढ़ाओ,
city.
वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ।
My city. My city is Jaipur. It is the capital of Rajasthan. It is also known as the Pink City. Jaipur is one of the most beautiful, famous cities
वन
in
नहीं बेटा,
India.
वन होता है वो, वन।
There are many famous places in my city, like Amber Fort, Khattu Sham Temple, Jantar Mantar, etc. Many tourists from India visit Jaipur every year. My
ध्यान
city
से
has
सुनो थोड़ा सा, हाँ बोलो बेटा।
My city has good schools, hospitals, markets, etc. There are also many hotels, restaurants, and gardens.
शाबाश।
The people of Jaipur are kind, friendly, and helpful. They celebrated many festivals with great joy.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया।
Jaipur is clean, beautiful, and developing city. I enjoy living here with my family. I love my city because it's peaceful, colorful, and good. I am proud of my city. Many tourists from India visit Jaipur every year. There are many schools, hospitals, markets in my city. There are many cars, buses, trains in my cities. That's it, sir.
ओके, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोला है, वेरी गुड। यस, और इसके बाद मैं समझता हूँ आदित्य।
Yes, sir. My name is Aditya, editing class 7. My topic is my city. My city is beautiful city. My city name is Jaipur. My city is a big. There are many shops in my cities. There are many temples in my cities like Khadu Shamji, Khadu Shamji, Balaji, etc. There are many cars in my cities like Mercedes, G-Wagon, Porsche, Rolls-Royce, etc. There are many bikes in my cities like ZX-10R, Ninja H2R, KTM, R15, etc. सर रोड को क्या बोलते हैं?
रोड को रोड ही बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश का ही तो वर्ड है वो।
The road of my cities are clean, are very clean.
ऐसे, शाबाश।
There are many big market. There are many big building in my cities.
इनमें सिटीज क्यों, एक ही तो सिटी है तेरी, इन माय सिटी।
There are bus in my city. There are many schools in my cities.
एक साथ ही बोल दो, देयर आर मेनी स्कूल्स, हॉस्पिटल्स, कॉलेजेस, ऐसे थोड़ा सा ठीक करो बोलना, हाँ बोलो।
There are many college, hospital in my city. There are stadiums in my city. That's it, sir.
ओके, ठीक है, कोशिश करते रहो बेटा। और आदित्य के बाद कौन है भाई? अन्नो।
Yes, sir. Today I am telling you about difference between school and computational exams. As you know, in school exams, it is we will pass if we also don't write anything.
if we write any one or two question right, so we will pass. But in computational uh, exams, it is very hard to pass them because they are for job and for like the jobs like uh, uh, mm, jobs like RAS, IAS, and etc. So it is very hard. In it, in it, there are thousand kids from the thousand kids they select only hundred kids. So you can know you, that how hard it to pass the exam. Uh, in commonly in school exam, um, uh, from 100 to 5 to 10 people cheat, make chits and pass, but they don't know. सर आगे जाके क्या बोलते हैं? आगे सर आगे जाके उनको इससे भी हार्ड एग्जाम वो भी देना.
If we move ahead in future, ऐसे बोल दो ना, in future we can.
In future they have to give more harder paper than what they are giving. It is like a trailer. Um, what happened in life? As you know, if you do cheating now, you will do cheating till your 9th class because 10th is your board. In board, cannot do cheating. In 11th,
should not.
In 11th also you can cheat, I think, and in 12 you can't because in it also board system is there. And if you cheat in normal classes now, and when you give the computational मतलब computational, अरे सर क्या चल रहा है मेरे दिमाग में? competitive exam. Oh, it is very bad that I have cheated in that exam or that exam. And then you realize that what you have done. So that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, very good. तबीयत ठीक है तुम्हारी?
हाँ सर.
पक्का?
हाँ सर.
Okay बेटा, very good. Come on खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Krishna and my topic is my city. My city name is Bandipur. It is in Rajasthan. I love my city. It is a beautiful place. It is a many people live there. The people are kind. My city has college, hospital, many shops, railway stations, and playgrounds. Many trains stop here. Road connected the trees makes the city green. My school is also my
आवाज थोड़ी कम आ रही है तुम्हारी, बढ़ाओ वॉल्यूम.
I feel safe here. my family lives there.
Hmm.
All festivals are celebrated there.
Celebrated. Hmm.
Celebrated there. I love my city.
Hmm.
That's it.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, थोड़ा सा राइटिंग करो, है ना, हो जाएगा बस, बाकी अब वहां पे प्रैक्टिस अपन करेंगे तो आ जाएगा फ्लो में थोड़ा सा। यस, कम ऑन पिंकी।
Yes, sir. Radhe Radhe all of you. Today I want to talk about my city. My city name is Pink City. My city is very beautiful place,
शाबाश शाबाश, वेरी गुड। हाँ।
and there are many people live in city,
Hmm.
and there are many religions live together.
Religions, there are many people of
Religions,
different religions live together। कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आगे, बोलो जरा।
okay.
Hmm.
And there are many hospitals here, and there are many facilities here, like hospitals, school, college, showroom, etc.
Hmm.
And there are many big temples here, like Govind Dev Ji, Tadkeshwar Ji, Gopinath Ji, Kali Hanuman Ji, and etc.
Hmm.
And they are very beautiful temple.
Hmm.
All people go there,
Hmm. शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। हाँ।
and there are many hospitals big, like Jaipuri Hospital, SMS Hospital, and Jacklone, and Rungta Hospital, etc.
Hmm.
And there are many big, and there is a big circle, which name is Jawar Circle,
शाबाश। हाँ।
and there are many airports here.
एक ही है, देयर इज एन एयरपोर्ट हियर।
And airports. Okay. And there are many uh, big gardens, like City Place, and JC, and etc. And there are many big schools and college here, KV3 and NST College, etc. And and there are many car showrooms here,
Hmm.
and there are much trees, much tree here,
Many trees, a lot of
many
trees।
trees here,
Hmm.
and there are many accidents because they drink alcohol.
Because people,
Some people,
people लगा, because some people drink
some
alcohol।
people drink alcohol, then they drive
Hmm.
fast.
Hmm.
So there are many accidents here,
Hmm.
and there are many vehicles here,
Hmm.
and there are big cafes, FBF cafes, and etc. And there are many big showrooms, like GT and WTP, and etc. And there are many foods, like Amir, Jagged, Albert Hall, and etc. They are very beautiful, and some people go there on Sunday.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, बोल करो। हाँ।
And there are many shops, like Kirana shop, sweet shops, etc. There are many boutiques here. And it is the mm, uh, Pink City is very beautiful because we live together, and we don't hate other religions. It is the very it is a very important for our 4 hour.
For us.
For us, sorry. And there is a big market in city,
There are big
and
markets. हाँ बोल फिर और
there is a big book store like in Choda Rasta, and there are many clothes shop in Pink City. अपनी पिंक सिटी को सिटी बोलेंगे ना?
पिंक सिटी आ गया ना, बट उसमें कुछ बोलने का
हाँ.
रीजन नहीं है.
And there are many banks here. That's it. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला, वेरी गुड. ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो, शाबाश. आई थिंक सबका नंबर आ चुका है. ओके, 1 मिनट कैमरे चालू करो अपने अपने.